Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit home screen on iOS 14.1. This is iPhone SE 2020. As you know, I got the latest one. For today we have iOS 14.1 software. You just go to the home screen. You cannot tap here, you just press and hold, and you can delete any application. If you want to delete app or move to application library or to cancel, you can delete, tap delete. You can cancel, and then if you want to end the editing home screen, just tap here. That's it. Start, end. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.